I'm Kevin Brown from the Blue Island Park District. I'm the lead organizer of the Chicago Southland Dragon Boat Festival. So this is our 4th year in Blue Island and our 3rd year at this site, the waterfall along the Cazares. The event's come a long way since we first started. It was brought to Blue Island by the Chicago Southland Convention and Visitors Bureau. Joel Kester reached out to us because we're along, obviously, a perfect waterway to do an event like this. We're one of the few communities that have something like this, not just in the Southland, but really in the country. So yeah, Joel brought us the event 4 years ago. We started with 8 teams back then, and we've grown it now to 20 teams for this year. We sold the event out for the first time ever this year, so we have 400 people coming to Blue Island for this event this year. And we're hoping to continue to grow it, I think, with the right staff and the right marketing and the right help from the Visitors Bureau. Again, we can continue to build this thing. It's been a good partnership to help bring people to Blue Island and to the Southland.
Hello, my name is William Cazares, the Marketing Director for the Blue Island Park District, and today we're celebrating the 4th annual Chicago Southland Dragon Boat Festival here in Blue Island, Illinois. Chicago Southland Dragon Boat Festival is a collaboration between the Blue Island Park District, Great White North, Chicago Southland CVB, and all the residents that live in and around our area.
Hello, my name is Ruthenberg. I'm the president of the Blue Island Park District. We are down here at the Dragon Boat Festival. We are very excited to bring many walks of life from the Southland and everywhere else to Blue Island. This brings people to Blue Island that don't get to enjoy Blue Island as much as we do. This event brings us obviously down to this waterfall here that we don't get to enjoy too often, where we can bring people from all over to enjoy this area that nobody gets to enjoy.